How to turn off share post on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, in here, scroll down till you find Profile and Tagging. Click on Profile and Tagging, and here you will find Allow others to share your post to their stories. Turn this off. After you turn this off, you're good to go. This is how to turn off share posts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.